Hi, my name is Lena Hohmann. I'm from AFCEA Bonn Chapter, Bonn in Germany, and came here the way from Germany to the West for today's award ceremony. I'll get the Young Distinguished Leadership Award for my engagement as emerging leader for the AFCEA Bonn Chapter. And what I do there is try really kind of organizing the largest exhibition we have in Germany for defense IT and put all the innovative elements in there, enable startups, and also put a recruiting area there to really also emphasize the younger audience also female audience in there, and really try to get more people involved there to really make AFCEA Fachausstellung, that's how the exhibition is called, really kind of a huge event in Germany.
And what does receiving this award mean to you?
This means a lot for me. It really kind of honors my engagement for AFCEA, for the defense in Germany, and really honoring what we really pushed for very hard to be more innovative, to enable also smaller companies, startups, getting their ideas, pitching in front of AFCEA, and also kind of enable young people getting involved in the topic, which is more than important at the moment, looking to the current theaters of